we're gonna get dirty. Alright, so grab the squid right behind the head, okay? And you want to twist and pull. Twist and pull. There we go. We'll take this. We're gonna set this to the side, okay? There is the ink pack right there. That's where all the ink is stored. You could use it for pasta or whatever. We're not going to use it. So let's cut these two long tentacles off first. Let's get these two long things out. Alright, let's just cut them. If you fish, you can use them for bait. They're great for bait, these two. Okay? Right here, right after the eyes, get your knife. Boom, right down. Alright? Now, there's also ink right behind the eyes. See that? There's also ink. See that? Look at that. Inky. Alright? And there's the ink pouch right there. You can use it for numerous things. We're just going to throw that out over there. We're going to throw this out because I'm not fishing right now. Okay, now, make sure, there's usually a beak here, but I cut it so close that there's no beak in there. There's like a plastic membrane. It's not plastic, but it's a membrane that's plastic. I'm going to cut the rest of that off. Okay? I'm going to cut the rest of that off. Alright? Cut that off. See, now this way, what I like with this dish, since this is so big, we're going to cut our tentacles. Okay? We're just going to cut our tentacles off. Okay? If you put your finger in the body, you'll feel this plastic piece. It's not plastic, it's kind of like a backbone, I'll say. Pull it out. Look at that. How cool is that, huh? That's pretty cool. Okay, we'll take that out. Alright? Put your hand in there. Make sure we got everything out. Well, that plastic, I keep calling it plastic because if you hear it, it's like plastic. You feel it, it's like plastic. That's why you call it plastic. Alright, so it's all out. Before we clean it off, we're going to just get the skin off. You can leave it on, it's edible, but I don't think it looks pretty. Okay, so just pull it off with your finger. It's not hard. Okay, look at that. See how it comes off? Very nice. Comes right off. And then here's the wings. You can eat the wings, whatever. I'm not crazy about the wings. So see how the membrane, just pull it right off. Look at that. Okay? Run your finger down, make sure you got it off here. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Pull this out. Put your finger in here, pull that membrane off. See that? Right off. Flip her around and just pull it right off. Boom. Okay. Now, what you guys should do, you got your tentacles and you got your body. And you know what? If you save the ink, and you save the backbone, and if you're really creative, you can make a pen. I'm only kidding. So guys, here we go. You got your tentacles, you got your body. Skin is off. Look how beautiful it looks, huh? All right, guys. And you're just going to run this in the sink to get all that goop off. And this is how you clean a squid. And this is Frankie Meatball cooking with Frankie Meatball. Squid! Clean the squid! Alright guys, we'll see you later!